Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Princess Fiona from Shrek in Dress to Impress. First of all, you can color your body with this green color, and then you're going to select all these hairstyles and you're going to color it with this color for the hairstyle. Okay, and you're going to put on this crown. This is from the VIP room, but if you don't have VIP, you can replace it with another crown and you can color it with this gold color. And then you can do a little adjustment. You can position it like this. Okay, and for the rotation and scale, just leave it like that. And then you're going to choose this ear from the VIP room, but if you don't have VIP, you can skip this ear. And then you're going to scale it a little bit like this. Okay, and the next one, guys, I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to put on this corset. Okay, and then we're going to color it with this green color. Okay, this is for the color code for the first selection. And for the second selection, you can make it this yellow and make it this green color for the third selection and fourth selection. Okay, and then we're going to make the material metallic. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to move to this area and I'm going to put on the skirt. Okay, and we're going to make it this green color, and then again we're going to change the material to metallic. And for the heels, guys, wait, I'm going to make it all green. Okay, and then I'm going to move to the changing room, and then from this menu, I'm going to put on this corset from the witch set, and I'm going to make it green and yellow. Okay, like this. And for the lace, I'm going to make it this color, and we're going to change the material to metallic. Okay, done, guys. And then I'm going to put on the sleeves, and then we're going to make it metallic, and we're going to make it green. Okay, and then I'm going to put on this dress and I'm going to make it green. And again, we're going to make it metallic. Okay. Okay guys, now it's done and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to create Princess Fiona from Shrek in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!